Welcome back. It is an internal matter of BJP to choose their campaign chief. Such Modis would make no difference to Congress party. Congress will win the 2014 Loksabha polls. This is the reaction of Congress after the official announcement of BJP's campaign chief. Congress Goa desk in charge Sudhakar Reddy addressed media soon after the announcement. State President Shirodkar says BJP leaders themselves face a threat from Modi, not the Congress. Congress has also issued a charge sheet against Parrikar-led government.
Definitely our learned leadership will maintain the balanced economy and we will win over the hearts of the public once again in 2014 also, whatever they said, and that is their internal matter, whom to head the campaign committee, whom to lead their thing. 100 Modis also together cannot do anything Congress party. That is the greatness of Congress party. Congress has seen this type of Modis so many years, so many times. No, nothing. We are, that is not a factor at all for the Congress party.
Secondly, see, Modi has been there for the last so many years. In fact, Modi may be a fear within the party itself.
Yes.
That's why Mr. Parrikar has come out with a solution of 65 years. Mr. Modi by 2014 is going to become 64.
The PCC Goa shortly is going to meet Governor of Goa by representing all these things because he is the representative of the Constitution. We will bring to the notice of Honorable Governor on all these things. The delegation will be headed by the PCC President and also the CLP. I will ask CLP to also participate in this shortly.
Three youth from Verna were arrested at Pune checkpost while smuggling frogs across the border from Karnataka. They were found with a total of 209 frogs, of which 51 were dead. The frogs belong to the Indian bull family, which are in demand and are served with jumping chicken tag.
आम्ही पोळे आयज सकाळी सगळ्यो गाडी चेक केल्यो आनी आमकां ही गोंयची गाडी आमकां 3 बेब्यांचे पोटले आसल्यो ती आमकां मेळ्ळी तेतून आतां पयले आमी सारके पयले कितले बेबे आसले ते सगळे टोटल 209 आसले तेतूंतले 51 डेड आनी 158 एलायव आसले.
खंयच्यान हाडले कितें आयडिया
ते कर्नाटकासून हाडले तेंच्यांनी आतां ते खंयच्या माजाळीच्यान हाडले सांगताले ते आतां आमी तेंचे कडेन इन्क्वायरी करतले आनी डेमियन फेर्नांडीस आग्नेलो वाज आनी फ्लॅसिनो वाज हे सगळे सोनारवाडा नागोवा वेर्णा सालसेचे इंडियन बुल
मागीर हे अशी गोंयांत मेळटा
गोंयांत मेळटा
पण ह्याची स्पेशालिटी हांकाच डिमांड बी तशें कितें आहा स्पेशली
डिमांड म्हणटा ते आतां थोड्या हॉटेलांनी बी सर्व करता अशें हें आसा सर्व करता ते आतां आमी तेंचे कडल्यान फायंड आउट करतले ते
स्पेशली इंडियन बुल फ्रॉगा बी डिमांड बी तशें कितें खावपाक
तांकां चड आहा
तांकां चड डिमांड आहा.
Classes in Chogule will begin from 17 June, a delay of 1 week. More than 350 online applications have been filed with the Chogule College for admissions to Standard 11th. The last date for online admissions in Chogule Higher Secondary ended on Saturday. The college will admit a maximum of 137 eligible students in Science and Arts stream. The merit list will be up on Monday.
After some tough talking from the government, the Chogule College management reopened the online admissions on Thursday. Chogule received around 350 applications for science and art streams. A maximum of 137 students will be admitted in the 2013-14 batch of 11th standard in higher secondary. Science will have 3 divisions and art has been allotted single division. The cutoff of percentage for science stream has been kept steady at 80%. The merit list of students will be out on Monday. The Education Department had received more than 700 applications before Chogule started online admissions. The fate of all admissions is still bleak as Bombay High Court is yet to hear the case on 18 June. But the more worrying thing for students is the delay in classes. Chogule High Secondary will begin classes from 17 June, a delay of 1 week. Government had earlier deferred the starting of classes till 10 June, which were earlier scheduled to start from 5th of June. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.